In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable microphone in Google Chrome browser. So if you're trying to access various sites, or you want to use your microphone on Google Chrome browser and you can't access it, or you don't have sound, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and enable your microphone on Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome browser and then head over to these ellipses. From here, head to settings, and then you'll see we have privacy and security option here. Now under this, head down to site settings. Under permissions, you should be able to see a microphone. Now go ahead and click on microphone, and in the first step, you will see your microphone here. If you wish to change the microphone to a different microphone, you can change it from here. However, we want to go ahead and enable access. So if your microphone had been disabled, it means this will be the current settings. Don't allow site to use your microphone. Go ahead and change site can ask to use your microphone. And from now, your microphone will be able to capture your voice whenever you are using Google Chrome. So that's how you can access microphone in Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.